Best small car for 2025 to 2023 Chevrolet Bolt. In the ever-evolving automotive landscape, the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt has emerged as the best small car for 2025. Combining practicality, efficiency, and advanced technology, the Bolt sets new standards in the compact electric vehicle (EV) segment. Chevrolet's commitment to affordability and innovation ensures that the Bolt remains a top choice for eco-conscious drivers and urban commuters alike. Modern design and practical interior. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt features a sleek and modern design, with clean lines and a distinctive front fascia that exudes confidence. The compact yet spacious design is perfect for urban environments, allowing for easy maneuverability and parking. The Bolt's exterior is highlighted by its signature LED headlights and taillights, which not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Bolt offers a surprisingly roomy cabin with seating for 5. The use of high-quality materials and thoughtful design elements create a comfortable and inviting space. The minimalist dashboard features a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, positioned for easy access and visibility. The interior is designed with practicality in mind, providing ample cargo space with the rear seats folded down, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Impressive electric performance. Under the hood, the 2023 Bolt is powered by a robust electric motor that delivers 200 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of instant torque. This powertrain allows the Bolt to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds, providing a zippy and responsive driving experience. The Bolt's 66 kWh battery pack offers an impressive estimated range of 259 miles on a single charge, making it one of the most efficient EVs in its class. The regenerative braking system enhances efficiency by capturing energy during deceleration and feeding it back into the battery. Charging the Bolt is convenient and versatile, with support for both standard Level 2 and DC fast charging. A DC fast charger can replenish up to 100 miles of range in just 30 minutes, making long-distance travel more feasible. Additionally, Chevrolet offers an optional home charging unit for added convenience. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt is packed with advanced technology features that enhance connectivity and safety. The 10.2-inch infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The Bolt also offers a Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging, and a premium sound system, making every drive more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority in the Bolt, with a suite of standard driver assistance features including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Optional features such as adaptive cruise control and a surround-view camera system provide additional peace of mind. Affordability and value. One of the Bolt's most appealing aspects is its affordability. Chevrolet has positioned the Bolt as an accessible EV, with a starting price that makes it competitive in the small car market. Federal and state incentives further reduce the cost, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Market impact and availability. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt has received widespread acclaim from automotive experts and consumers alike. Its combination of range, performance, and affordability makes it a standout in the EV market. As more drivers seek environmentally friendly alternatives, the Bolt's popularity continues to grow. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt is available at Chevrolet dealerships nationwide, with various trims and options to suit different preferences and budgets. Its competitive pricing and advanced features ensure that it will remain a top choice for small car buyers in 2025. Conclusion. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt exemplifies the best qualities of a small car, offering an exceptional blend of efficiency, technology, and practicality. Its impressive range, modern design, and advanced features make it the best small car for 2025. Chevrolet's dedication to innovation and affordability ensures that the Bolt remains a leader in the compact EV segment, providing an unmatched driving experience for eco-conscious drivers.